Here's how to turn off Wi-Fi Assist on the iPhone. So if you don't have an unlimited cell data plan, you're definitely going to want to turn this off. It's in your settings, and then we're going to go to cell, and inside of cell, we're going to scroll down a little bit until we see Wi-Fi Assist right here. So we want to toggle this off, so make sure it is not green if you want to turn off Wi-Fi Assist. And basically, Wi-Fi Assist will use your cell data if the Wi-Fi connection is poor. You may not want to do that if you don't have an unlimited plan or if you care about how much data you use. I would also look at the next two if you care about how much data you use and make sure both of these are also off so that it doesn't transfer documents and data on iCloud Drive on your cell network or uh, cell data or uh, transfer or do iCloud backups with cell data as well. So each of these, turning them off basically turns off cell data for those features. But that's how you can turn off Wi-Fi Assist on the iPhone.